You've just been served with divorce summons. Now what? This video talks about 3 important aspects in terms of how to respond. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. Tip number 1 is to make sure that you read the documents carefully. In other words, try and understand what your former spouse is seeking from you. Is it full custody of the children? Is it half of your pension fund? Is it the assets from the marriage, etc., etc. Tip number 2, start gathering all of your evidence. For example, is there an antenuptial contract, marriage certificate, children's certificates, pension fund certificates, any documents related to the divorce, start putting it together. Tip number 3 is start reviewing what it is that you want out of this divorce. For example, forget what your spouse wants. What are the ideal terms of the divorce from your side? Once you figure out all 3, only then at that stage should you decide to seek out the advice of a specialist lawyer. The reason why I say that is because you'll be much more organized and a much more calm state of mind to approach the matter than rushing out, contacting a lawyer immediately without the documents or without goals from your side. When selecting your divorce lawyer, make sure that you do a proper background on this lawyer. What do I mean by that? Not all lawyers specialize in every field. Just like all doctors are not the same, you get a neurosurgeon, a heart specialist, or a foot doctor. In the same way, not all lawyers are the same. Make sure that you don't go to a criminal lawyer for your divorce. How do you do this? Check their Google reviews, number 1, and number 2, check to make sure that they actually do divorce cases. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time and money. If you need help in your situation, whether that's preparing a strategy to protect your assets or to get custody of the children, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.